Alright everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about Python variables. So I'm going to create a Python variable named dog, and this variable is equals to, and I can say like my dog has 5 children. It's like that. And now dog is a variable, and I have equipped it, or I have assigned it to a value of 5. If I need to print out the number, I just refer to write print keyword and then pass in not 5 but pass in dog. Once I pass in dog here like that, and then I'm going to click on this button here. So I have to run, and you can see it displays 5 here, which means I have managed to create a Python variable. Now here I can create another one that is known as cat and assign it to a value like, let's say 15. And if I want to print the two of them, I can write the way it is, dog, and then I put a comma here, and then I say cat. And this one should also give me the two numbers. But then if I need to add my dog and cat, I have to create another variable, maybe like I can say dog for my domestic animals is equals to, and here I can say dog plus cat. If I type like that, now here inside I won't print any of them, but I will be passing in dog. Once I pass in dog like that, it should be able to print me with the total number of my domestic animals. If I pass it like that, it's giving me 20 here. That is how we can calculate between the two of them.